All right, we're still working here in the Heartland advertisement letter, so make sure you are in the right document. We're now going to add in a table with our advertising rates on them. So you come up here to the top to the tables tab, and there's a lot of new information in here that we're going to go over. First thing I want you to do is come over here on the top left-hand side and click New. As you click or run your mouse over, you can see that it automatically tells you up here what your table is going to be by, the rows and columns. And remember, rows are across and columns are up and down. So we want to create a 5 by 1. So we want 5 columns and 1 row. So go ahead and highlight that, and then you click, and you'll see that we have our table now inserted down here in our letter. So we're going to add data into our table. So we're going to click on the first one, and our insertion point is in that first cell, and we're going to type the word type. Then you can hit the tab key, and it will advance it to the next cell to the right, and we're going to type in dimensions, tab again, word count, tab again, photo count, and tab one last time and enter in the word cost. If you make a mistake, you can always go back and click in a different cell and correct anything that is in there. So now we want to enter more data into the table. So how we're going to do that is we're going to type full page, then press the tab key to advance to the next cell. So if we hit the tab key after cost, notice that it gives us another row. And remember, originally we didn't know. So that's nice about Word. So if we didn't realize how many rows or columns we needed, when we hit the tab button, it automatically enters it in. So we're going to enter in full page, then hit the tab key. We're going to do 9 inches, space X by 7 inches, tab over, type in 800, tab again, type 4, and tab again for $650. We're going to tab again for the third row. Half page, this is going to tab 4 by 5 inches, oops, not feet, inches, by 7 inches, tab. This is going to be 400 word count. It's going to be 2 photos, and that will be a cost of $350. Tab again, we've got a quarter page that we're going to enter in. This will be a 4 by 5 inch by 3.5 inch. Oh, look at me, making all kinds of mistakes. All right, back to the word count. Sorry about that. 200. Photo count is going to be 1, and the price is going to be $225 on that. Then the last one we're going to do is business card. Please make sure that you're spelling and capitalizing correctly. That's going to be a 2.25 inches by a 3.5 inches. Going to be 100 word count, 0 photos, and that'll be for $125. Now we're going to apply a style to our table, and you can see here we've got all the different table styles that we can choose from. So your insertion point needs to be somewhere in the table, okay? And we're going to be sure that the check marks match those in the table options group. So here we go. Table options, and you want those to look just like mine. So header first, banded rows, and first column. we're going to come over here to the styles and we're going to click more, and we see all the built-in styles. And we want to scroll down and find the medium grid 3 accent 4. So let's scroll here. Medium grid accent 4. Medium list, medium grid 1, and we actually want medium grid 3. So this is down a little ways. Medium grid 3, accent 4. And remember, if you're not sure, just put your mouse over it and it will tell you in the little pop-out box. And notice that it changes our table to have color, and it changes the font style, font color, etc.